Abre's assessment app allows educators to create assessments using up to 50 different question types. Schools can purchase question banks to populate assessments with up to 9,000 K-12 standards aligned questions. This screencast is just going to do a quick overview of the assessment app and how it actually functions. I'm in the assessment. Right here I will see the assessments I've created. I can see assessments shared with me. I can see all the assessments because I'm a super admin, and then I can see common assessments. Common assessments are typically summative common assessments shared throughout the district or school that multiple classes and teachers can give to students. If I were to actually go into create an assessment, I would hit a little plus item, create the assessment, come through. If I wanted to go ahead and actually take an assessment, this is what it would look like from the perspective of a student. Coming right through from reading. Again, you have a bunch of different question types to actually create through. So I can actually have come right through here. If I wanted to actually edit a question or add questions, all I'm going to do is create an item, come right here, and I have quite a few different options for the different types of questions I might want to create. Again, up to 50. You can do everything from audio recording to multiple choice. It's quite extensive in how in what you're able to actually create within the assessment app. To give assessments, when I'm actually in an assessment, what I would do is hit give, and I have a couple different options. One, I can just copy paste a link. So if I'm using other LMSs like Schoology or Blackboard, I could actually put that in there. I could also deliver via an Abre focus code, or I can push into Google Classroom, and fairly shortly you're actually going to be able to push into Abre class as well, although you can currently use the link for that as well. So that's how that works. To view assessment results, I can filter into the assessment as well as course, see how my students have performed, see item breakdown, see response analysis, pretty much get into some pretty detailed examples here of actually seeing how kids have been responding, and get into the nitty-gritty of how things are actually working. I can always export as a CSV to manipulate more data if I wanted to, although this data is actually pretty robust in being able to see what's actually available for you to look over. So that's just kind of a brief overview of assessments. You can build assessments, deliver assessments, grade assessments, you can share assessments, and you have 50 different question types as well as question banks that you can purchase to add to the assessment.